You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, this past participle. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, biblical names, names from the Bible in particular, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you, much more content. Chastised is how it's pronounced. Chastised. Tised. Stress on that first syllable. English pronunciation, how to pronounce chastised. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.